Sometimes my old partner, night partner.
Okay. Well, sir, there's a news and there was a live telecast just few minutes back. Uh, your opponent candidate have joined BJP now today officially. Are you aware of this?
I'm aware of it. Thank you.
Okay. Your first reaction to the same.
My first reaction is a land scamster is taken in by the party. Number one. Second is I have written a complaint to the Minister of Revenue, to the department of the Kumdar land scam. Land scam means Kumdar land is sold to a Delhi builder, and the BJP is taking him in the party. That's good. Let people of Goa know that we are involved in land scam.
Before inducting him, whether you were told or you were taken into conference.
I was taken confidence by saying that some people are being inducted in the party. Even today morning, I got a call from the party president or CM. I told CM I can't attend the function because I have committed against him and not fair on my part. What message go to public that I have joined hands with you?
Now, what's the position? Because there is a talk of town that now Daji Salkar will get the BJP ticket.
See, ticket or no ticket, I am there for the next election. I've said last few days, I'll take half and it's the time to half time has come for decisions.
And what would be the move? Any in the being in the same party or what exactly is it?
See, when you play a game of cards, you have to keep some cards in the pocket. I will card in my pocket.
So your plans are ready.
My plan B is ready, plan C is ready, everything ready. See, first of all, it is an insult to the people of Vasco. Insult in what way? Ami BJP power अंदले वास्को दाव सारखे गोड करून दिले आम्ही लोकांना बोलले संतोष बोलले अल्लेकर बोले अल्ला निवडून that is the time that people of Vasco have shown that they are with the BJP from the Congress. The shift is not easy to make. A shift from voters to from Congress to BJP is very difficult. But we have done it as a team. Then first time we won the election 2012. Second time there is history in Vasco, the no MLA is won second time. The people of Vasco have done, not I. Ata now they think that the party thinks it is good. I am happy with the party.
Some of your hardcore supporters like Deepak, Anil Chapadekar were seen in the induction program.
Deepak is my friend, but not my hardcore supporter. See, Deepak protest municipal. I have not backstabbed Deepak, and I hope he will not backstab me.
But other BJP functionaries, what happened to the BJP Vasco BJP bloc? Is it a divided house or is it still the united?
See, as far as my knowledge goes out today, they have been pressured to come. Some people have gone there forcefully just to see the induction. So things will be clear next few days.
But what about the BJP bloc now? Whether you will remain in the party or because
See, I am a BJP MLA and I'll stay faithful to the party as long as the party is backstabbing me again and again. I have said that party has not done development in Vasco. Vasco is very step mother treatment. So many times I said, not once, twice, many times. So now that's I hope Ms. Salkar gets the bus stand done. But the bus stand down in the government. Now I want to see the position. Whether the CM gives us money for the bus stand. I hope with Daji coming, something better good will happen for the party in Vasco.
But do you think that this will have a repercussion on the BJP because sidelining one minority MLA?
Repercussion is already there in the party. There are undercurrent in the party. Undercurrent because confidence. See, when the bloc wrote to the party president, I wrote to the party. I wrote to Fadnavis ji that minorities have to get more seats. Now they are hurting the minority today.
So what would be the future then in this case? Because party aims to have 22 in 22.
See, 20, see, figure I can 40 out of 40. Then you go for exam to answer maths exam. Some people get 40 out of 40. But let's see as time comes how things will move.
But you will remain faithful for the to the party till.
See, I will take a decision along with my supporters. I've got my own team. The municipal council has said that they are with me. So I'll meet them again. I'll discuss with my team and I'll take a call.
Anything you want to add up with regards to the induction today?
I'm happy that Mr. Sarkar has come to BJP. I'm happy that BJP is welcoming scamsters. I'm happy on that count. See, today BJP when Parikar was BJP was different. Now today party not like Parikar party. Parikar was a different man. Parikar would not take all this nonsense with him along. Parikar was a good man. As Parikar now party changed as party because had discipline now. Now they used to at my back. I don't know. Some video scam was there. Some scam the Congress was there. I think the minister somewhere close by here to Vasco.
So you are hinting that the scam allegation by Congress is involving a minister from Malgaon.
See, as far as it's what I heard. Now, the full world knows. Now, when the movie is out, let's see who the main actor.
Close to Vasco means how close to Vasco it is?
See, today even from here, the Americans close. The travel by air or travel by net.
But you believe in the allegations made by Congress?
See, it has to be true. It will be true. I don't have friends who have seen the videos.
So you are having knowledge about the video.
Yeah. Only thing they have kept their face black.
You haven't seen the minister.
No.
But have you reported the matter to the CM when it came to?
I have told even Mr. Fadnavis ji about the video. I said the allegations about the video. Long back. I said this video will do us more harm, not in Goa. There are 5 states going for election, 5 states. The video is there launched outside. It's not a small joke. It's going to be a big major scam all over India. In UP there are a lot of people who are in different type of cases, MLAs. In Goa there are no much cases of MLAs. There are more cases. Those people want tickets. And if they give one ticket to the same minister in Goa, it will be worse in other states.
Santosh, you said that the party has backstabbed you. What are the reasons for backstabbing you?
See, party is backstabbing how? No development. Number one. Second, party when they say when they inducted today, here about again the MP election. Why we lost MP election today? There are many here are the factors. Today the MP election, Vasco we got lead, but Daboli we got less lead. Mulgo got no less lead. MP was the biggest seat for the Prime Minister to win. See, today MLA is not one. MLA one story, but MP also is an important seat.
And in terms of development, what exactly you have allegation?
Allegation, they see Vasco got step-by-step treatment. I've been telling all this time. And Vasco, nothing has happened. See, if somebody says that I have not moved files, I can show the dates and files. So many meetings have been conducted regarding development. Even CM came to Vasco Ravindra Bhavan. CM promised that things will move, but nothing has moved.
So now what? Now do you think that now development will happen?
I hope so. You know, miracle happen.
Do you think that the development was purposely kept on hold? Or?
Now I feel that you know done on purpose. Now with all this happening, the induction. Because he is the only fellow who is talking against us. See, bus stand issue was raised by Mr. Sarkar and his wife. That's all. Nobody else. And now I hope he says raise this issue again by tomorrow next week. I want to see whether he raises again.
So you mean to say the development was not done because of Raji Sarkar?
One reason.
So somebody has been sidelined, you feel, sir? Deliberately?
I feel, see, Vasco has been sidelined. Basically, see, development has not happened. See, if you compare Vasco to Mulgaon, today ministers in all over Goa, they are only ministers for their constituency. I'm talking about Mandre. Azulgar, they do develop only their constituency. But the Minister for Goa, not for MLA constituency.
But sir, how you will overcome from this negativity that there is no development? Because you have just now said that you again will say everything depends on the performance.
See, people of Goa know. Now, see, today our party, my party is exposed. They have elected somebody who has got a bad name, somebody who has got a bad record. That's good enough. And same person, he was instigated by the party. Party is going to make statement against me.